naive or okay, maybe dumb. I've asked dumb questions before, but CMC to me seems to be missing a point or missing a part. And Joanne, you mentioned biology. Shouldn't it be CBMC? Shouldn't it be chemistry, biology, manufacturing, and controls? As a non-scientist, that's always kind of bothered me. Is that totally ridiculous, or what do you think?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I don't know. That's a very old term, right? And I think people use, as you started, CMC, and people will say CMC and manufacturing. So forgetting that the M in the middle stands for manufacturing. Yes, it's a very old term, and it doesn't exactly describe what the complexity of what happens. And there's a lot of biology with
Okay,
biologics, obviously, and even more biology in CMC with these advanced therapies like cell and gene therapy.
yeah,
I think on the small
maybe.
molecule side, I don't care about biology. Just tell me what I got to make, and I'm going to figure out how to do it. I mean,
Yeah, and
biology
I
is
was going to
between
say,
the med chemists and the clinical people.
and to be fair, I think actually, to sort of, I guess maybe, sort of go back a little bit, Louis, one of the things that I think has been very clear message from industry to regulators over the last, decade plus, even with biologics, is that, when you really reduce it down to what it is, it is chemistry and physics at the end of the day, right? Where even with complex biologics, where we've had to rely on things like bioassays to justify, quality and be a part of a control strategy, we're actually trying to move away from that, right? We're trying to rely more on complex analytics and complex, control strategies that don't, really kind of rely on biological assays or other biological attributes, which we know are oftentimes not as easy to control, suffer from a lot of problems, and can be difficult to validate and kind of maintain throughout the life cycle. So yeah, I sort of like it not to have biology in the in the acronym myself.
All right, very good. I sit corrected. CMC is going to stay.